Efficiency of packing in body-centered cubic structures, solid state chemistry, class 12. I just want to take this diagram. Okay, now this is body center diagram. You can see here 8 corners are there along with this body center is there, right? Now I want this distance, one corner to another corner along with the body center. So for that purpose, I would like to go for this one first. Okay, so this distance can be calculated. This is B distance you are saying. This is edge length A and this is another edge length A. So according to your Pythagoras theorem, from this EFD, triangle EFD, this EFD triangle we are taking, this is A square plus A square is equal to B square, or you say simply B square is equal to 2A square. Fine, job done. Next triangle I am taking, here it is, this triangle I am taking. This is edge length A, so triangle A, F and D. In triangle AFD, this is A square and this is B square is equal to this is C square. But already we know that this B square is nothing but A square. So 3A square is equal to C square, or C is equals to root 3A, right? C is equals to under root of root 3A square. So A square will become A root 3A. Now what is A? So the C you can write A is edge length. Okay. Now C, we are looking about C. But see, this is, you see, this is one radius. Here 2 radius are there. This is radius. This is another radius, and this is one more radius. So radius 1, radius 2, radius 3, radius 4. 4 radius. But C is equal to 4R. Right? Now your questions will come from this part. Therefore, root 3A is equal to 4R. Remember this one. This is very, very important. R is equal to root 3 by 4A. You need to remember this formula. Or A is equals to 4R by root 3. All these are very, very important formula for your calculation purpose. Once if it is done, job is done. Okay. See. Now, volume of atoms is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Why 2? Because we know in body center the number of effective atoms will be 2. One is because of body center, another because of 8 corners. 8 into 1 by 8. I think you remember this point. And one body center, 1 into 1. So number of effective atoms will be 2. That 2 I am taking here. Then 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is volume of atoms. Volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell will be, as you know, that is A cube. But A is equals to 4R by root 3. So 4R by root 3 whole cube. Now you know packing efficiency is equal to volume of atoms 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. A is nothing but 4R by root 3 whole cube. If you simplify this, you will be getting the answer as 0.68, or percentage point if you want to take, this will become 68%. What you need to remember is these are the important formulae that you need to see. A is equal to 4R by root 3, R is equal to root 3 by 4A, and packing efficiency is 0.68 or 68%. Very, very, very important. You need to remember this, and this is better than packing efficiency in simple cube. In simple cube it was 52.4. This is 68. It is much better. Thank you.